Hello everyone, you are highly welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial today we are going to be solving this particular problem on this board. So now by looking at this question, so we see that this question is actually coming from exponential equation. You can see that we have y to be at the position of exponent and we have y also to be at the position of base. Then we have this equation being written as y to power root of log of y then equals to 10 to power 8. So what we are going to do here is actually very simple, and I want you to follow me. So the first idea or the first approach here is that we try to bring out to bring down the power. So the only thing we can do today is to have the power to come down. Is we try to take the the logarithm of with respect to base 10 of the both sides. So we have log with respect to base 10 y log y equals to log 10 to power 8. Now from there, what's the next thing we are going to do? So now from here we can see that the power will actually come down. Okay, so this power will come down here and this one also will come down here. Do you understand now? So that's the idea. So if you don't forget from the law of logarithm, so therefore having that, we can see that we are going to have square root of what? Log y, then log y with respect to base 10 equals to 8 log 10 with respect to base 10. So now from here you'll see that this one here, that is log 10 base 10, this is going to give us 1. Okay, so now from there, so what's the next thing we are going to do? So let's jump to the next page. So now from the next page, so what do we have? You can see that log, that is the one we have with square root, can actually be written as log y. Okay, log y to power 1 over 2, then multiply by log what? Log y, which is equals to 8. So now from there, what's the next thing to do? So we are still going to use we are going to apply the law of indices here. So we consider this, they are what? They are the same. Are you getting now? Then we have what? We have multiplication in between them here. Do you understand now? So therefore we are going to be having log y into brackets and close brackets half plus 1 equals to 8, and this is going to be log y, okay, 3 over 2 equals to what? Equals to 8. So now from here, what's the next thing we are going to do? So that the next thing we are going to do here is that we can see that this y is still enclosed by the 3 by the power 3 by 2. So therefore our means is to find way of eliminating the power so that we have our y plain fully. Okay, so now from there, the next thing we are going to do is that you can see that if you multiply this 3 over 2 by 2 over 3, I get now, you can see that this will actually cancel this. That is 2 we cancel 2, 3 we cancel 3. We are going to have 1 here. So that is what we are going to do. But whatever we do, we must actually do it to the right answer, or to do to the both sides. So to maintain the law of what? The law of equation. So from there, so the next thing we are going to do is that since it's 2 by 3, that we actually turn this one to be 1. Okay, therefore we now take what? We multiply the power by 2 to power 3. Also you can see, don't forget that this one also is with base with power 1. So we multiply this by 2 over 3 and multiply this one also by 2 over 3 here. I guess in now. So you can see that from there, you can see that we are going to have what? We are going to have log y. Okay, and this is going to be 8 to power 2 over 3. So now from there, the next thing we are going to do is that we can see that this y can be 2 to power 3, that is 8 can be expressed as 2 to power 3, then multiply by 2 over 3. Okay, so we have log y to be equals to this one. We cancel this one, we are going to have 2 to power 2. Do you understand now? So we are going to have 2 to power 2, 2 to power 2. So now from there we can see that we have what? We have log y to be equals to 4. So now from there, what's the next thing to do? Don't forget that this is with respect to base 10. So from the law of logarithm again, we can see that 10 is going to be to power 4 equals to y, and we have our variable y to be equals to 1 or 10,000, or we say what, 10 to power 4. So now that is going to be the end of today's lecture. If you find this class very interesting, do not hesitate to hit on the subscribe button, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new content. Do share this class to your learning colleagues so that they can also benefit from it. Thank you for watching. Bye.